So today we're talking about self-compassion. And so there are some important dynamics, important conceptual frameworks for understanding the interior world. So how we view our interior world, which we generally call spiritual anthropology. So how humans are put together from the perspective of the compassion practice. And so this conceptual framework is important for understanding how to do the practice as well. So first is that we have a compassionate core, that our deepest core self is naturally compassionate. And this is who we are. So we're most fully human, most fully alive when we live from this compassionate essence. And so we understand this colloquially then, it's those moments in your life where you say, yes, this is me. I'm being true to who I really am. So if I were to ask you to tell me about yourself, you would share those moments of your life and say, this is when I was at my best. This is who I think I really am. So that's you in your compassionate core. That is you at your best, who you really know yourself to be. And so we call this enduring essence of humanity within us the self with a capital S. And that comes from internal family systems therapy, is where we draw that terminology. And so our self is our true nature and our ground of being. So it's that pulse of love that beats at the center of who we are.